Absolutely. Roller coaster temperatures across Northeast Ohio. But I think what we're mostly focused on is what's going to be going on at the Guardians game tonight and also tomorrow evening. So here's the latest forecast for you. We're dry with just a few clouds here. Game 3 temperatures low 50s will drop back into the upper 40s during the game. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. Now tomorrow evening, first pitch is at 7:07. We'll have more cloud cover around, so clouds will be increasing. It's starting off nice. Temperature will be right around 60 degrees at first pitch. Will drop back into the mid 50s during the game. Winds out of the west at 10 sustained. So temperatures right now, well, we are in the 50s in many locations. It's 52 in Cleveland. There are some outliers though in the 40s, upper 40s from Mansfield to Worcester. Far cry from how much colder we were the last couple of mornings. And the reason why, we've got a wind shift coming in out of the southwest. Another reason, we've got a lot of cloud cover around. Temperatures right now in Westlake, it's 51. It is 54, quite nice actually in Massillon, and we still have the upper 40s. Now winds out of the southwest sustain now between 5 to upwards of 15. That breeze will be with us through the day today. Your weekend forecast, your pick day will come tomorrow. We'll have temperatures in the mid 60s. We'll start off with lots of sunshine, but we'll wind the day down with more in the way of cloud cover. And speaking of cloud cover, the reason why we got it around right now, weak trough moving through there, a couple light showers and sprinkles. They'll be out within the next hour and a half, and then we have the rest of the weekend to look forward to. Now coming up, we'll talk about a big drop in temperatures, which also includes possibility of some flakes mixing in. I'll let you know when.
The forecast.
Have you noticed the leaves lately? Yes.
Oh yeah, they're all over my yard. They're everywhere.
They are, yes. It's also so gorgeous here across Northeast
pretty.
Ohio. This is the best time of year, really, when you see those bright leaves of vibrant colors on our trees. But it's also, as Rosie said, time to clean them up every single year. Yeah, I feel your pain when my neighbor starts his leaf blower at like 7 in the morning. I'm like, no. All right, shower. It's a possibility this morning until 9 o'clock. After that, it's about the breeze. We'll have winds gusting to around 25. So that's why I'm going with a yellow leaf today. Tomorrow, oh, absolutely. You can get out, use the leaf blower because we've got sunshine around, winds not as bad, winds out of the west at 5 to 10. And then Monday, rain arrives, plus it's going to be rather chilly, so that's not the day. Thank you for sending in your view, your shots of these beautiful colors across our area. Keep them coming. I'm going to show them all morning long, but we've got some beautiful shots here. I love this one. I love this color, the reds, the deeper reds and orange. Absolutely gorgeous. Colors I do not like seeing on the map. We've got blues showing up. To the west, Chicago's 36, it's 31 in Minneapolis, where we're sitting pretty actually at 52 degrees. I mean, this wedge of warmth in here, but our temperatures really won't warm up all that much. I know yesterday we hit 61. Today we'll likely get into the upper 50s, but we've got the cooler air that's going to be filtering on in. That's going to really affect us on Monday. So our average high, 64. We hit 61 yesterday. I think we have a shot at hitting this average tomorrow. Sunrise this morning was at 7:37 and sunset is at 6:46. So we have this dip. It's what we call a trough in the upper levels. That's with us. Now watch this. It deepens even more as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way down into the deep south. So we're talking much colder temperatures by at least 15 to 20 degrees below average. The good news is it gets out of here quickly so that by next weekend, we've got a warmth surge moving in. So we've got a beautiful weekend in store for us as well. So it's just the middle of this week that we're watching. And of course, got the colder air moving in. We're talking 40s, we're talking low 30s, and this is what's going to happen. Monday morning, we'll start off with some showers developing. Rain showers at first. As we get into the evening and overnight, you see the pink shades mixing in. This is more lake effect at this point, and it's pink shades. It's not white just like that, so that means there could be just a few flakes mixing in from time to time, but all in all, it's going to be just a cold rain. And then as we get into Tuesday, same deal here. We'll have cold rain on and off throughout the day. And then as we get towards those evenings and overnight, we'll start to see the pinks mixing in at time. And again, that's just some flakes mixing in with the cold rain. This is going to be with us here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So those are not the pick days of the week. By Wednesday morning, we have a good shot of seeing some frost in our area. So for today, 57, a few showers around this morning. Otherwise, we're clearing out. We're seeing sunshine in the afternoon. 35 to 40 tonight. Not as nice as this morning. We've got temperatures dipping back into the 30s. And then looking ahead here comes that chill. After the mid 60s on Sunday, we've got mid 40s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And good morning. Time now is 8:14 on your Saturday morning. And as you can see, we've got lots of cloud cover in play right now. Well, the good news is that's going to slowly erode as we go through the day. That we'll see more sunshine. Not going to be a full out sunny day, but a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. And temperatures headed back into the upper 50s today. So a touch on the cool side, but we all got baseball on our mind. So this evening, first pitch is at 7:37. We welcome our Guardians home on their home turf. Low 50s expected. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. It's going to be dry. In fact, it'll be dry for both of the games. On Sunday, first pitch 7:07. Temperature is actually quite nice. I think we'll be right around 60 degrees at first pitch at that point. Winds sustain out of the west right around 10. Right now we've got winds generally west southwest. We have a trough that's pushing through our area, so once it moves through, we'll have a more westerly component. Temperatures generally in the low and mid 50s at the moment, so pretty nice actually to start off your day. We've got winds sustain anywhere from 5 to upwards of 15. Again, once it moves through, more of a westerly component, and we'll be gusting into the mid 20s throughout the day today. It's not until sundown when those winds start to die down, just in time for our game. On Storm Fox, still tracking a few light sprinkles, light showers. It's far east side here and few far in between. I mean, we're talking like sprinkles. So by 9 o'clock, this will be over with. The trough will be out and will gradually start to clear out. You can see here Chicago under a mainly clear sky, but look upwind. We've got some colder air backed up to the north and west of us. This is all going to be filtering on in as we head into the middle or the beginning and middle of the week. So let's check it out here on Futurecast. Here's your hour by hour. There you go. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're seeing more sunshine. We've got low 50s, mid and upper 50s late afternoon, mainly clear. And then as we get into the evening, this is 10 o'clock. We've got temperatures dipping back into the lower 40s. I do expect mid to upper 30s. There could be a couple outliers in the low 30s this morning or tomorrow morning under a mainly clear sky. But look at this. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, we've got 60s showing up. This is why this is your pick day of the weekend. Low and mid 60s, dry, sunny, great for leaf peeping. By the time we hit in the game, we're going to start to see the clouds increasing, but with the cloud cover around, that's going to lock these temperatures. So again, right around game time, temperatures right around 60 degrees. And then we'll bring in the chance for some spotty showers Monday morning. They'll become more widespread as we're tracking a strong cold front Monday afternoon. Yesterday we hit 61 degrees, a couple clicks below our average of 64. Sunrise this morning 7:39. Sunset should be a beautiful one at 6:46. We've got this trough that is just going to get deeper and deeper as we head into the middle of the week. And when I'm talking these blues and the whites, we're talking some much cooler readings here by about 15 to 20 degrees below average. So enjoy the 65 on Sunday because here we go. We've got temperatures.
Well, now it's the Guardians' turn to try to snap the city's baseball championship drought. Cleveland hasn't won a World Series since 1948.
Oh, it would be so nice.
It would be.
It would be really, really nice. Because I remember that night in '97, and I just watched. I was in an establishment in Independence. I was working. I was working. I was in a bar in Independence. All right, and I was working at another place, and I watched that crowd. I mean, it was packed. Everyone was so tight, and I watched everybody go from up here to in tears. Within what I think maybe 20 minutes. Yeah. And it was sad, but we want to see the Guardians do well.
Do you know, we're feeling that kind of energy again.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's just there.
Absolutely.
Like that energy. I mean,
you can
that
feel
was a
how
great
bad they want it.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I've got that forecast for you because I know you want it. We're excited that our guys are back in town. We've got game number 3 this evening, and first pitch at 7:37. We've got a temperature of 52 degrees. So you step outside right now. Yeah, it's windy. That wind won't be with us through the game, but our temperature is likely the same right at the moment. So mainly clear. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. We will not be gusting anywhere near what we are right now. We're gusting above 25 miles per hour at the moment. So leaf blowing today, I don't know. It's going to be breezy throughout our daylight hours. Winds gusting to 25, but no rain chance anymore. That has left the area. Now tomorrow, this is your day to get out and do the leaves. We've got lots of sunshine. Winds not as breezy out of the west at 5 to 10. The winds pick up and the rain arrives on Monday. So that is not the day to do it. I know when Mondays come around, you're like, yeah, let's do some work. All right, here's a look at what's going on across our area. It has been gorgeous lately. And here's parts of your view. This was a viewer that sent in from West Branch. Look at the coloring there. I love these shots. Holmes County has some beautiful orange hues and also red. And then this is Nelson's Ledges. So we've got some goldens showing up here. Looking fantastic. Thanks for sending in your shots. I'll continue to share them with you throughout the remainder of the month. Coloring that we don't want to see. Blues, and we're seeing that off to the west of us. Right now, our temperature 51 degrees, but we will have a cooling trend here as we go through the day today. Temperatures below average in the upper 50s. Right now, we're at least 8 degrees warmer than what we were this time yesterday. Our average high, 64 degrees. That's the number to watch because wait until you see this 8-day forecast. Sunset this evening is at 6:46. So we have a trough that continues to build into our area. It digs deep as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What does that mean? We get the floodgates opened up to some rather cold air. We're talking temperatures 15 to 20 degrees cooler than average. It's out by the end of the week, and then we start to see some green hues showing back up, which I think next weekend actually is going to turn out to be an incredible weekend with high pressure Bermuda high banked off the East Coast there. So let's talk about the middle of the week. If you don't want to see this, just turn around. We do have a Monday, those showers entering the forecast with the front moving through. Now, as we get into the evening and overnight, you start to see this pink purplish color showing up. That's a mix of rain and snow. Now, again, it's just going to be a few flakes mixing in. It's not going to accumulate. It's going to be more about a cold rain. And by rain, yeah, we've got 72 hours of it. We got Monday, we've got it on Tuesday. We're going to do it all over again Tuesday night into Wednesday morning with the potential of a wintry mix moving in. And then finally by Thursday, things getting out of here. So Wednesday morning will actually be our best chance of some frost as that system moves out. Now 57 degrees today, or afternoon sunshine expected. Tonight we're mainly clear, temperatures dipping back into the mid-30s. Looking ahead tomorrow, it's your pick day of the weekend, but we also have the Browns game. Low 60s at kickoff. Kickoff 1 o'clock. Winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15. So a little bit of a breeze, but really not too bad. Mid 60s expected tomorrow. And then here you go. Mid 40s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hi, good morning. Time now is 9:12 on your Saturday morning, and we're already starting to see some blue here in the land. Great news there. We're going to have lots of sunshine appearing in several backyards shortly. I know we had a lot of cloud cover around this morning, and we still do in some spots, but the rain is gone. Now our temperatures headed below average once again. Our highs generally in the upper 50s this afternoon, but we've got baseball on our mind, and of course our guys back home in Cleveland. First pitch is at 7:37. We're dry with just a few clouds around. Temperatures will be in the lower 50s and winds not as gusty through the game. Now tomorrow, this is actually going to be your pick game. 7 o'clock, 7:07 first pitch. We do have more in the way of cloud cover, but check out the temperatures at first pitch. We'll be right around 60 degrees. Winds sustained out of the west at around 10. So here's a look at current temperatures across our area right now. We've got upper 40s, low 50s. Port Clinton, you're our cooler spot, checking in at 45. We had a trough move through. It's all about the wind right now. So the rain is gone. Wind speeds sustained between 15 to upwards now of 25. So over the next 24 hours, really the next several hours, we'll have those higher wind gusts, and then they ramp down. They step down here. By 6 o'clock, winds gusting to near 20. So again, it shouldn't be a factor for the game. Now looking ahead here on Storm Fox, we're all quiet. No rain in our area. We do have some showers just offshore there of Ashtabula. So now we're just working on clearing out the cloud cover. Still some clearing skies out towards Port Clinton over into the islands, and then you go west of that, we've got more clearing in Chicago. But also in Chicago, the chilly readings, and then beyond that, we got some snow showing up in northern Wisconsin right now. Could that be us? Let me show you here on Futurecast. Hour by hour today, more sunshine arrives the afternoon hours. Temperatures mid to upper 50s. Then as we get into tonight, it's definitely going to be chilly for sure. We've got temps dipping back down into the 30s, mainly in the mid 30s for most backyards, but we're starting off the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we've got the Browns game going on. Look at that, mid 60s, 65, still lots of sunshine. Then as we head towards our Guardians game tomorrow, 55, again at first pitch right around 7, so 60, and then we'll be dropping back into the mid 50s through the game, and clouds around. Then by Monday morning, spot showers start to show up. It's not until the afternoon though when we really start to get the rain moving in, and then beyond that, look at this pool of blue pushing into our area Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We've got temperatures ranging 15 to 20 degrees below average middle of the week. So that's why I'm saying enjoy Sunday. We've got temps in the mid 60s. Here's your 20-degree drop again. Mid 40s though. It is going to be a shock to our system. It happens every year this time of year, but of course the first one's always like, oh man. And then Monday night and a Tuesday morning, a chance for a few flakes mixing in. Same thing Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then we get that system out of here and we start to warm up next weekend, looking beautiful.
You're also thinking about those Halloween costumes because, yeah, almost that time.
I know.
I mean, would you really care if we wore the same thing?
Right.
I'm asking the viewers.
Would you
really care if we have that one red dress? I mean, technically, you know, if they win.
Yeah, it's a lucky draw.
And you want to rock the red, so you should do that.
Yeah, if you see the same things, just know we're doing our best here.
We're trying. We're a burgundy on today.
But shades of red.
We're trying. Yeah, we're trying.
Shades of red. We are definitely down for our team. Just know. Whatever color we're in.
Yep.
Rock the red.
Absolutely.
And cheer them on tonight. And it's going to be windy, so that means lots of homers by the Guardians.
You're right. Absolutely right. However, you're wrong in the fact that it's not going to be as windy as right now.
Okay.
So that's good.
Okay.
But yeah. Okay. So, you know, that's I'll let you know the forecast.
There we go.
It is windy right now. That's why we're thinking, oh my goodness, is it going to be bad for the game? No, absolutely not. Those winds will step down as we head towards game time. I'm thinking once we lose daylight altogether, that it's looking good. All right, so here's a look at your game time forecast. 52 degrees. We're mainly clear. There you go, that southwesterly flow at 5 to 10. So we had a trough that pushed through this morning. Behind that trough, it's become rather windy. So today, not the day to get outside and blow those leaves. We'll have anywhere from wind gusts from 25 to 30 throughout the afternoon. So breezy. But again, this evening, those winds die down. Look at tomorrow's winds. Out of the west at 5 to 10, we'll have lots of sunshine. This is your day to get out and clean up the yard because by Monday, we've got the wind picking back up and we've got the rain arriving and some big time changes. All right, here's a look at your view. I'm enjoying seeing your shots of Northeast Ohio with these gorgeous colors. Loki loves the leaves, and look at this backyard. I mean, wouldn't that be just a beautiful backyard to stare at? How about this view out the window here? Look at the gorgeous colors of red on that tree, and then roaming shore is popping in color out in Ashtabula County. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, temperature 50 degrees here in Cleveland. You go to Cedar Rapids. That's a shade you don't want to see, blues. It's at 27 degrees. Eventually, that's going to be moving into our area. So right now, we're about 3 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. Yesterday, we hit 61 degrees. Our average high, 64. So we're going to be below that. Sunset should be a beautiful one at 6:46, and that's when we're expecting those wind gusts to die down. Now, winds aloft. We've got this trough that is building into our area. It's going to deepen as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's going to be the coldest days of the week of the next 8-day forecast. And it's short-lived, I mean 3 days of it, but by the end of the week into next weekend, we've got this Bermuda high setup, which is going to drive the warmer temperatures back into our area. We're talking temps at or above average next weekend. So here's a look at Futurecast. I'm skipping ahead until Monday. This is when the rain arrives. We'll likely have the first shot coming in the afternoon with the front itself. Now look at this. You see the pinks showing up, or purple here. Overnight, Monday night into early Tuesday morning, there's a chance that we could have some flakes mixing in. It's really going to be more about a cold rain, though, through our area. And then we'll continue with scattered cold rain showers here throughout the day on Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. There's that chance of the mix showing up. And again, more likely in our higher elevations. And we're not talk about any kind of accumulation whatsoever. I mean, the ground's warm. And again, it's going to be mixing back and forth. So it's not just going to be an all-out snow. All right, here you go. Enjoy your 65, mid-40s, middle of the week. And then we start our gradual.
Welcome back, everyone. Neighbors helping neighbors. It's not only the nice thing to do out there, but it's also
probably had some fun doing it too.
Right. And everybody hopefully wishing him the best and a speedy recovery.
Yeah. So kids, grab the rake and help your parents.
Right.
There you go.
Right.
I mean, that takes a while.
Yes.
And it's that time of year. We're seeing the beautiful leaves out there right now. I mean, gorgeous leaf peeping for sure here in Northeast Ohio. I've enjoyed all the viewers that have been sending in their shots. I mean, they've just been posting left and right on
Really cool
the
stuff.
gorgeous area. So if you have gorgeous, so it's all about baseball. I mean, we're going to spend some time inside somewhere enjoying our Guardians.
There we go.
All right. Thanks, Jen, and go Guardians.